This, this is Dr. A. Kavita, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, RBVRR Women's College, Hyderabad. Welcomes you all for the inaugural session of National Online Coaching for All Competitive Exams 2022 in Plant Sciences and Plant Biotechnology, CPGET-2022. This is the second consecutive successful year of national online coaching carried by Government College for Women JAGTIAL and in association with RBVRR Women's College Hyderabad and SSR GASC KARIMNAGAR, Telangana. To begin with the program, I call upon Shamla, student of FNBC final year, RBVRR Women's College, for a prayer song. Over to you, Shamla.
कुन्देन्दु तुषारहार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणा वरदण्डमण्डितकरा या विश्वेत पद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युत शंकर प्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा पूजिता.
Thank you, Shamla, for your wonderful welcome and the prayer song for this session. Now I request respected Dr. Y. Satyanarayan Garu, Principal, GDC College for Women JAGTIAL, to address the gathering. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, madam.
Excuse me, sir. I have to attend a meeting at Usmania University. Please.
I will brief my introduction.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Heartily welcome to all the distinguished personalities and aspirants to this session on behalf of GDC Women JAGTIAL. Initially, I congratulate all the conveners and co-conveners and team members of this wonderful program. I heartfully welcome our Honorable Keynote Speaker, Professor S. Ramireddy Garu, Department of Botany of Microbiology and KU, Warangal. I cordially welcome today's chief guest, Dr. K. Surendra Reddy Garu, State General Secretary, TGCTA, Telangana, and Dr. K. Ramakrishna Garu, Principal, SRR, Autonomous Karimnagar, and Dr. Achyuta Devi Garu, Principal, RBVRR, Women Autonomous Hyderabad, and Dr. Masrur Sultana Garu, Vice Principals of my college, and G. Chandre Garu, HOD of Department of Botany of our college, and all the co-patrons, resource persons, and subject experts to this National Online Coaching 2022. And we proudly announce that recently our institution reaccredited with NAAC B++ with CGPA 2.78 and well-established infrastructure, faculty, and surrounded by immaculate environment and innovative teams. And here, recently, CC team visited our college and appreciated our immaculate environment, and also our college got appreciation by Honorable Commissioner Sir Sri Naveen Mittal Garu for our NAAC B++ team work. And stepping the another stone, very recently our Government Degree College Women JAGTIAL family inaugurated admission wall poster 2022 and pamphlet by Honorable District Collector Sri G. Ravi Garu, IAS. All the Government Degree College Women family members are actively participated indoor to the admission campaign by visiting all the government and private junior college and model colleges also to strengthen our college. we are very glad to share that our government degree college Women JAGTIAL is going to establish as a first research center in the JAGTIAL district locality, and also planning for many innovative and forthcoming days. And last academic year for 2021, our college team collaboratively conducted national online coaching for plant science, and around 48 students got university ranks. And also our college team conducted online coaching for CPGET 2021 in all streams at college level, and around 32 students got benefited in the admissions of PG. In EdSet also around 25 members got seats with our college level coaching. And now today also I wish a great success to all the registered aspirants for your future. I hope this coaching should be absolutely fruitful. Thank you, madam. Thank you to all.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your encouragement and successful completion of 2021 online coaching, and looking forward again a successful year ahead. Thank you very much, sir. Now I invite our beloved principal, respected Dr. J. Achita Devi ma'am, to address the gathering. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Satyanarayan sir. Thank you, Kavita. Good afternoon, everyone. I welcome all the participants to National Online Coaching for all competitive examinations, Plant Sciences and Plant Biotechnology, CPGET 2022, which is organized by CPGET Telangana in association with Government Degree College for Women, JAGTIAL, Telangana State, and RBVRR Women's College, Hyderabad, and SRR GASC, KARIMNAGAR, Telangana. I would like to extend my special welcome to Dr. K. Surendra Reddy Garu, General Secretary, TGCGTA, Telangana State. And my congratulations and my thanks to Dr. Y. Satyanarayana sir, Principal, GDCW, Telangana, and patrons and co-patrons and convener Padala Tirupati sir. Actually, it is a good initiative. The results are very appreciable. I thank all the persons who are involved in this great event. On this occasion, I wish to take the opportunity to present a brief profile of our college. Our college was established in 1954 by Hyderabad Mahila Vidya Sangam, a non-profit education society. It is affiliated to Osmania University. The college was granted autonomous status for UG courses in 1989 by the UGC, and it was extended to PG courses from 2010-11. The college was selected as a college with potential for excellence by the UGC in 2010-11 and continued the same in 2014. The college has been reaccredited by NAC in its 4th cycle. From humble beginnings, RBVRR Women's College has grown to a mammoth size with over 2,960 students on its rolls, providing hostel accommodation to more than 350 girls who hail from poor and remote areas of Telangana. It is also probably the only college in India metros dedicated to women's education from poor families' background. Presently, we are offering 17 programs at UG level and 5 programs at the PG level. It is the first women's college to introduce an MBA program under Osmania University jurisdiction. It is the first college to introduce a forensic science course at the UG level and data science at PG level. The college introduced BSc Data Science and BCom Business Analytics during the academic year 2020-21. The college offers several life skill courses, career-oriented courses, of the Legislative Council of Andhra Pradesh, and KV Rangareddy Garu, former Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, who were the pioneers in propagating women's education in the state. The college has the rare privilege to have the blessings of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India who laid the foundation stone of the college. President of India, His Excellency Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam on 5th August 2005 to deliver the Golden Jubilee valedictory address is yet another landmark in the history of the college. His Excellency Dr. C.H. Vidyasagar Rao, Governor of Maharashtra, visited the college for the Diamond Jubilee celebrations. Her Excellency Dr. Tamilsai Soundararajan, Governor of Telangana State, awarded degrees to students during academic year 2019-20 convocation. I hope this online coaching will benefit so many rural women's, so many rural students. I congratulate all the persons who are involved in this particular innovative way of coaching, and I want to congratulate my staff also. I congratulate Rajini, Kavita, and other members of our Department of Botany. Thank you. Thanks for giving this opportunity. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you very much.
Thank you, madam. We also look forward.
Thank you, madam.
Very much for our appreciation. Now I request respected Dr. K. Ramakrishna Garu, Principal, SRR GASC College, Karimnagar, to address the participants. Over to you, sir.
Sir. Sir.
Sir Ramakrishna, sir.
Swarupa?
Okay. Okay, sir. Welcome, sir.
Swarupa? Anilaja?
Hello.
Sir, you are audible, sir. Please.
Tamam.
Signal is very poor, Tirupati garu.
No problem, sir. Sir.
Now I am audible.
Yes, sir. You are audible and visible, sir. Please.
May I speak now?
Yes, sir. Please proceed, sir.
Okay. Good afternoon. Thank you, one and all. I warmly welcome to National Online Plant Science 65 Days Uninterrupted 22 Experts Program, which is conducted by Government Degree College Women JAGTIAL and SRR Government College Karimnagar and RBVRR Women's Hyderabad and TGC GTA. I warmly welcome. It is a great initiation from the government degree colleges and one government college lecturers association. I congratulate all the participants and convener and all the principals and TGC GTA organizers also. I wish and hope this mega event will be very successful. Already we are witness last year organized very well this program. Because of this coaching, online coaching, I came to know Tirupati and Chandraya Garu, Shankar and Adab Srinivas, almost all my beloved friends conveyed that most of the students are got seats in CPGET and other competitive examinations in all central universities and reputed institutes in overall India. It's a great event, not only limited to Telangana. It is a participants are likely joined about all over the India, all states also. I heartily congratulates the convener Tirupati and principal Satyanarayana Garu and Anita Devi, Achyuta Devi Garu and Rajini Garu. My beloved friend, today's chief guest, and Dr. K. Surendra Reddy Garu. I heartily congratulations to him also for his giving unconditional support and guidance to the young thugs of this plant science and plant biotechnology lecturers and faculty members. I warmly welcome to today's keynote speaker, Professor Ram Reddy Garu and other esteemed friends and participants. I congratulate the event organizers convener, co-convener, patrons, and team members. I wish you all the best and joyful learning up to 65 days and 22 with the 22 experts teams. It's a good sign. Nowadays, it's a online platform is a very useful in pandemic situation. It's a very good initiative from the government college, collaboration with all experts in one platform. It's a good sign to all government colleges. I also extend my wishes and support to my college Botany and Life Sciences Department convener and co-convener and all other department colleagues and friends. It's a memorable event. Thank you, one and all. I engaged in another meeting also. Thank you, one and all. Thank you, today's chief guest, Dr. Surendra Reddy Garu and Tirupati Garu, Sachanarayana Garu, Achita Devi Garu, Ram Reddy Garu, one and all. Thank you, one and all. Namaste. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Now I welcome our Honorary Secretary cum Correspondent, Professor Sudarshan Reddy, sir, RBVRR Women's College, to speak few words on this occasion. Sir.
One second.
Rajni ma'am, sir is available.
1 second, Kavita, I'll check.
Rajni Madam Garu, I hope sir is not here.
Ma'am, shall we move on to the next?
Okay, Kavita, I'll call you, sir. You can carry on.
Okay, sir will join later. Okay, now I invite Dr. Masroor Sultana ma'am, Vice Principal, GDC College for Women, JAGTIAL, to speak few words on this session. Over to you, madam. Ma'am, Masroor Sultana ma'am.
Dr. Masroor Sultana Madam Garu. Okay, Madam is here. Sultana Madam Garu, please unmute yourself. Madam Ji. Dr. Masroor Sultana Madam Garu. Okay, Kavita Madam Garu.
Hello, sir.
Okay, Madam, please. Okay, Madam, please proceed.
I'm audible, sir.
Audible, Madam, but you are not visible, Madam. Please unmute your video, Madam.
Wait. Now I'm audible, sir.
Yes, Madam. Please proceed.
Respected principals of Government Degree College, Women's JAGTIAL, Karimnagar and Hyderabad, Sri Dr. Y. Satyanarayana sir, Dr. K. Ramakrishna sir, and Dr. J. Achita Devi ma'am, and chief guest of today's program and General Secretary to GCGTA, Dr. K. Surendra Reddy sir, co-patron Sri G. Chandra sir from Government Degree College, Women's JAGTIAL, and convener Dr. Padala Tirupati sir from GDC Women's JAGTIAL, keynote speaker Professor M. Ram Reddy sir from Kakatiya University, Warangal, resource persons, participants, and my dear students. Good afternoon, everybody. And on behalf of Government Degree College, Women JAGTIAL, I wholeheartedly welcome you all to this inaugural session of free national online coaching for CPGET 2022 in plant sciences and plant biotechnology, organized by the GCGTA in association with Government Degree College, Women's JAGTIAL, SRR Karimnagar and RBVRR. Hello. And RBVRR Hyderabad. Dear students, to achieve a goal, proper guidance and motivation is important. So this is the platform where experienced and eminent faculty members of different prestigious colleges of Telangana state are giving you their precious time, knowledge, and guidance. So it is a golden opportunity. Utilize their services and work hard for your bright future. I appreciate and congratulate all the faculty members who are involved in this great work. I wish for the success of this program, and my dear students, once again, all the best for your future endeavors. Thank you, sir. Over to you, Padala.
Thank you, madam. Thank you very much, madam. Thank you. Kavita, madam.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Now I request IQAC Coordinator, GDCW JAGTIAL, Harjot Kaur ma'am, to address the gathering. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Well, on behalf of Government Degree College for Women JAGTIAL and IQAC department of our college, I welcome you all to this national online coaching on plant sciences and plant biotechnology. Before that, I also invite all the dignitaries on this platform. A very good afternoon to you. I'm very much pleased to have been associated with Jain colleges of Telangana, that is SRR in Karimnagar, JAGTIAL, GDC Women in JAGTIAL, and in Hyderabad RBVRR. Such a trio colleges who always thinks about quality enhancement and quality initiatives, and that too in an innovative mode. And one such is today's on national online coaching. Thanks to all the organizers who have taken an initiative to show the things for 65 days to help our students from all the corners of the nation to crack the competitive exam and gain admission in the renowned universities in India. And I thank all the organizers, especially PADALA Tirupati sir, who always keeps an eye on innovative things and how best he can do, he always strives for. With the association of RBVRR, in the previous also have seen how these two colleges are associated in bringing up what can be done in botany. So that things are brought in by the association of both the colleges. So I thank PADALA Tirupati sir also for being associated with this online coaching as well. And my special thanks goes to the what I can say is the crux of this 65 days program, all the subject experts who would be ruling out the show for 65 days and make a blockbuster like Bahubali and other things for the 65 days, and definitely would be getting a Nandi type of awards and Oscar type of awards. Those are the awards when we see our children getting admission in renowned universities in Telangana. So once again, I thank all the principals and the chief guest and all the other patrons of this national online coaching for having been associated with Government Degree College for JAGTIAL, which is in the rural urban area. So all the best to you all, and thanks everyone for giving me this opportunity. So let's do the best and happy learning. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Looking
Thank you,
forward.
madam. Thank you very much.
Looking back the awards, not only the Oscar, I think above that we can achieve after these 65 days of coaching by the students. Thank you very much, ma'am. Now I request our co-patrons, head departments of the trio colleges. Now I request Dr. T. Shankar Garu, head department of Botany, SRR College, to start with the program, speaking few words on this occasion. Over to you, sir.
Dr. T. Shankar, sir. Dr. T. Shankar, sir. Okay. Kavita madam garu.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Proceed for next our head department.
Now I request head department of Botany, GDC Women JAGTIAL, Dr. G. Chandraya Garu, to address the gathering for this national online coaching. Over to you, sir. Chandra, sir. Sir, Chandra, sir. Sir, I think Chandra, sir is not co-host. Yeah. So now sir is co-host. Sir, you can start.
Sir, Tirupati sir, you are unmute.
Okay, sorry is co-host, no problem. But madam, please you proceed. Next, Kavita madam, proceed. Next.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now I request our beloved Head Department of Botany and Food and Nutrition, RBVRR Women's College, Dr. A. Rajni ma'am, to address the gathering on this occasion. Over to you, Rajni ma'am.
Okay, Kavita. Good afternoon, one and all. I welcome you all for a national online coaching, plant science and plant biotechnology. It's my pleasure to welcome today's chief guest, Dr. K. Surendra Reddy sir, General Secretary, Telangana State. Keynote speaker, Professor S. Ram Reddy sir, Department of Botany and Microbiology, Kakatiya University, Warangal. I also invite Professor Sudarshan Reddy sir, Secretary, RBVRR Women's College, Dr. J. Achita Devi, Principal of the RBVRR Women's College, Dr. Y. Satyanarayana sir, Principal of the GDC Women's College, JAGTIAL, Dr. K. Ramakrishna sir, Principal of the SRR College, KARIMNAGAR, Dr. Masroom Sultana, Vice Principal of the GDC Women's College, JAGTIAL, Dr. C. Kavita, Vice Principal of the RBVRR Women's College. I also invite my dear colleagues and student friends. Once again, I welcome one and all. Now, I would like to brief you all about our department. Department is established in 1954, and we have introduced food and nutrition as one of the optional subject as a UG level in 2014. Department is supported by 8 faculty members, of which 4 are PhDs holders and 1 are pursuing PhD, 2 are qualified NET. Department regularly conduct seminar, workshops, extension lectures, and field trips to upgrade student knowledge. We also take up student projects at UG level. The department is having a strength of faculty to bring awareness and motivate the students to learn the subject. And I hope now I would like to brief you all about the students gained immense knowledge of today's national online coaching, the keynote speaker, and all are the to enlighten our program and our students of the life sciences, which is beneficial in offering the PG entrance exam. Okay, thank you, Kavita.
Thank you, Rajni madam. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Rajni ma'am. Now it's over to you, Tirupati sir, to introduce about resource persons for this 65 days uninterrupted national online coaching. Over to you, sir. The floor is open to you.
Okay, very good afternoon to all the dignitaries and the delegates of today's session. Thank you, Kavita Madam Garu. I welcome today's national event, national level online coaching for plant sciences and plant biotechnology. By the grace of our teachers, by the grace of our senior faculty members, by the grace of our elders, our tri-colleges are successfully conducted this online coaching for 60 days in last academic year. At the time, my college principal, Dr. M. Srinivas Reddy Garu, supported me and encouraged me for conducting this event. At the same time, this academic year, our elderly, our college head and young and dynamic principal, Dr. Y. Satyanarayana Garu, is supporting me and encouraged for same manner to conduct this online event at national level. In this concern, in this regard, we will going to plan for this national event for coaching for CPGET and all central universities in plant sciences and plant biotechnology. By the supporting of resource persons, last academic year, our college is successfully with the help of RBVRR Women's College at Hyderabad and SRR College, SRR Government Arts and Science College Autonomous successfully conducted this event. In this event, more than 48 students, they will get benefited and got the seats in various universities in our Telangana and also other states also. In last academic year, the keynote speaker, Dr. Professor B. Vidyavardhini Madam Garu, Head Department of Botany, Telangana University, Nizamabad. In the last academic year, the chief guest and patron, Dr. Kalvakunta Ramakrishna Garu, principal, one of the prestigious institution in Karimnagar, SRR Government Arts and Science College, and JAGTIAL Devi Madam Garu and principal M. Srinivas Reddy Garu, last academic year. At the same time, the resource persons, Mote Tirumala Madam Garu, assistant professor, Department of Applied Sciences and Life Sciences in Mahatma Gandhi University in Nalgonda, and Dr. Gajula Prabhakar Garu, assistant professor, Department of Botany, Usman University, and Dr. Chekinam Chandrasekhar Garu, Kakatiya University Warangal, and A. Madhuri Madam Garu, assistant professor, Microbiology Government College, Women Government College for Women, Begumpet, our Reddy College, our RBVRR Women's College, eminent faculty, Rajini Madam Garu, Department of Botany, and Dr. Akula Kavita Madam Garu. So all we are associated to create wonders, and majority of the people, they are get the seats. More than 48 students, they are get benefited, and they are joined in MSc Botany of different universities. Thank you very much. Thank you each and every resource person, their valuable time and their knowledge shared their valuable knowledge regarding of this national event. At the same time, on the last academic year, these are the students, they are get benefited in CPGET 2021. So these are the students, they are got in Usman University, Telangana University, Kakatiya University, Mahatma Gandhi University, Giriraj Government College Autonomous Nizamabad, and Shatavahan University Karimnagar. They are get benefited. At the same time, from Andhra Pradesh, one of the student, Shivaji Naik, also got the first rank in his category, SC category, state first rank in Andhra Pradesh, Shivaji Naik. Shivaji Naik is also in today. I hope he is also joined today's session. If possible, we will take his voice also. And each and every resource person, thank you very much. Your valuable time for sharing of your knowledge. At the same time, I hope in this time, in this academic year also, with our patrons support, and at the same time co-patron support, and also the resource person and 22 experts, subject experts from various colleges of our Karimnagar district, with the help of the banner, the platform of the TGCGTA Telangana state. We are proudly say that TGCGTA Telangana, our association, is going to plan for conducting this 65 days uninterrupted program through online mode, Zoom. So thank you each and everyone for giving your valuable suggestion for making this program a grand success. And also in this regard, this academic year also, our eminent faculty members of different universities and colleges from autonomous colleges and also degree colleges, they are voluntarily given their access for for sharing their knowledge. So each and every resource person, thank you very much for regarding of this national event. So first of all, Dr. K. Madhuri Garu, Assistant Professor, Board of Study Chairman, Mahatma Gandhi University, Department of Botany and Microbiology, Department of Biotechnology, Dr. K. Madhuri Garu. We are wholeheartedly thankful to you for your valuable time for this national event. At the same time, Dr. Kavita Madam Garu and Rajni Madam Garu, Dr. M. Rambabu Garu, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Kakatiya Degree College, Warangal, and Dr. D. Nagaraju Garu, Assistant Professor, Government City College, Autonomous, Hyderabad, and Dr. A. Madhuri Garu, Assistant Professor, Department of Microbiology from Begumpet Women's College, and Dr. Rukmini Devi Madam Garu, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany from GDC Narsapur. So these are at the same time our esteemed faculty, esteemed unit members and assistant professors of our TGCGTA Telangana, the erstwhile Karimnagar district, and esteemed faculty members of various degree colleges in erstwhile Karimnagar, faculty members, wholeheartedly thankful to you. As a Karimnagar, I am wholeheartedly thankful to each and every faculty members from bottom of my heart. Thank you each and every resource person for making our program well proud. Thank you, madam. Thank you, Kavita Madam Garu.
Thank you, sir, for nice introduction about the past resource persons and the future resource person of this national online coaching. Now I request Head Department of Zoology, Government Degree College for Women, Jyoti Lakshmi ma'am, to introduce today's chief guest, Dr. K. Surendra Reddy sir, General Secretary, TGCGTA Telangana. Over to you, madam.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Respected principal of degree colleges participating in this program, respected today's chief guest, Dr. Kadaru Surendra Reddy Garu, respected keynote speaker Ram Reddy Garu, respected resource persons, colleagues and participants. Good afternoon to all of you. A warm welcome to this inaugural program of National Online PG Coaching for Plant Sciences and Biotechnology from GDC Women JAGTIAL. I wholeheartedly congratulate the Department of Botany and Sri Chandraya Sir Garu and Padala Tirupati Sir for organizing this program. It is my great privilege to introduce a great leader, a great motivator, a great human being, and a caretaker for all the GDC's faculty members, Sri Kadaru Surendra Reddy Garu, the State General Secretary of our Union TGCGTA of Telangana. He is a great personality, uniting all the faculties of GDCs with Commissionerate RCCA of Hyderabad. He solves, he involves, he supports all the professional issues of the faculty and make the faculty happy always. Not only this, he gives unconditional support, encouragement to the faculty and motivate them to organize many activities, programs which are beneficial to the students of those colleges. He has taken many steps to increase the admissions of the GDCs, and also he is still trying to strengthen. He strengthened all our GDCs in terms of admissions, in terms of NAC reaccreditation processes, and he is still trying to strengthen our GDCs in all aspects. I am very fortunate to introduce our Surendra Reddy sir. This is one side of his personality, and come to another side of personality, professional personality. He is a very good academician and he's working as assistant professor of zoology in SRR, GDC or GASC Karimnagar, and he has more than 20 years, nearly 30 years of service with excellent professional skills and administration, and with a research experience of 8 years. And he has published a number of articles in many ISSN, ISBN edited books, seminar proceedings, and also conferences proceedings. He has published and presented many research papers in national, international workshops, conferences, and seminars. He has guided more than 3 student study projects under JIGNASA student study project program, and he has been a resource person for many extension lectures. And most excellent thing is he has been awarded Telugu Book of Records for his excellence in academic and as well as professional life achievements. Okay, and he has completed as a part of professional life. He has completed RCs, OCs, and also faculty development programs. He is meant for honesty. He is meant for hard work, and he is an humanitarian. And his success formula is: do not leave anything until it is achieved. So in that motto, he is working, and he is be with us for all the issues in the GDC's faculty. Thank you, sir. Thank you for accepting this invitation from our GDCW JAGTIAL from Botany Department. And I am very fortunate to introduce you, sir. Thank you very much. And thank you for the organizers giving me this opportunity. Thank you. Over to Madam.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your brief introduction about this, sir. Not the brief introduction, I can say it is a wonderful introduction to know
Yes.
about, sir.
Yes, nice.
Yeah, it's an honor now to invite today's chief guest, Dr. K. Surendra Reddy, sir, General Secretary, TGCGTA Telangana, to speak few words to grace this occasion for National Online Coaching. Sir, over to you, sir, and welcome once again.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Good afternoon to all. TGCGTA and JDC Women JAGTIAL, RBVRR Women's Hyderabad, SRR JDC KARIMNAGAR సంయుక్తంగా నిర్వహిస్తున్నటువంటి ఆన్లైన్ నేషనల్ కోచింగ్ ఫర్ ఆల్ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఇన్ ప్లాంట్ సైన్సెస్ అండ్ ప్లాంట్ బయోటెక్నాలజీ కార్యక్రమానికి ప్యాటర్న్స్గా వ్యవహరిస్తున్నటువంటి జైత్యాల మహిళా కళాశాల ప్రిన్సిపల్ డాక్టర్ వై సత్యనారాయణ గారు, అలాగే ఆర్బీవీఆర్ఆర్ ఉమెన్స్ హైదరాబాద్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ డాక్టర్ జె అచ్యుతాదేవి గారు, అలాగే ఎస్ఆర్ఆర్ కళాశాల ప్రిన్సిపల్ డాక్టర్ కె రామకృష్ణ గారు, అలాగే ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి కో ప్యాట్రన్స్గా వ్యవహరిస్తున్నటువంటి డాక్టర్ మస్రూర్ సుల్తానా గారు, డాక్టర్ చంద్రయ్య గారు, డాక్టర్ రజనీ గారు, డాక్టర్ టి శంకర్ గారు, మరియు కార్యక్రమానికి ముఖ్య వ్యక్తి కన్వీనర్గా వ్యవహరిస్తున్నటువంటి పడాల తిరుపతి గారు, అలాగే ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో కీనోట్ స్పీకర్గా విచ్చేసినటువంటి ప్రొఫెసర్ ఎస్ రామరెడ్డి గారు, మరియు కార్యక్రమంలో పాల్గొంటున్నటువంటి ఇతర ఫ్యాకల్టీ మెంబర్స్ అండ్ గెస్ట్స్ అందరికీ వెరీ గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్. చాలా సంతోషం. టీజీసీజీటీఏతో పాటు సంయుక్తంగా మరి 3 ఒక ప్రతిష్టాత్మకమైనటువంటి కళాశాలలు ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో పాల్గొంటూ 65 రోజుల పాటు 22 మంది ఎక్స్పర్ట్స్తో పర్ డే 3 hours పిల్లల యొక్క భవిష్యత్తు కోసం, మన కళాశాలలో చదువుతున్నటువంటి విద్యార్థుల భవిష్యత్తు కోసం నేషనల్ వైడ్గా రాష్ట్ర వ్యాప్తంగా ఉన్నటువంటి కళాశాలల్లో ఉన్నటువంటి విద్యార్థుల కోసం ఈ ఆల్ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్కి మీరు ఇస్తున్నటువంటి ఈ కోచింగ్ అనేది చాలా అద్భుతం, చాలా గొప్ప విషయం. ఇది నాట్ 1 week 2 weeks ప్రోగ్రామ్ కాకుండా 2 months, మోర్ దెన్ 2 months ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని నిర్వహించాలనే తలంపు చాలా గొప్ప తలంపు, చాలా గొప్ప కార్యక్రమం. దీన్ని కోఆర్డినేట్ చేయడానికి మరి మీరంతా కూడా పడుతున్నటువంటి శ్రమ చాలా అభినందనీయం. టీజీసీజీటీఏ విద్యార్థుల యొక్క భవిష్యత్తు కోసం, ముఖ్యంగా గ్రామీణ విద్యార్థులకి, గ్రామీణ ప్రాంతాల్లో నివసించేటువంటి విద్యార్థుల కోసం క్వాలిటీ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అందించాలనే ఉద్దేశంతో మరి గవర్నమెంట్ డిగ్రీ కళాశాలల్లో ఉన్నటువంటి ఫెసిలిటీస్ గురించి ఎప్పటికప్పుడు వారికి తెలియజేస్తూ, ఫెసిలిటీస్ని మెరుగుపరిచే దిశగా ప్రయత్నాలు చేస్తూ మరి అడ్మిషన్లను పెంచుకుంటూ వస్తూ ఉంది. గత 5 ఏళ్లుగా ప్రభుత్వ డిగ్రీ కళాశాలల్లో 29,000, 30,000 ఉన్నటువంటి అడ్మిషన్స్ని మనం ఈరోజు 52,000 పై చిలుకుగా తెచ్చుకోగలిగాం. ఇదంతా కూడా మరి కళాశాల విద్యా కమిషనర్ నవీన్ మిట్టల్ గారు తీసుకున్నటువంటి సంస్కరణల ఫలితం, అలాగే ప్రతి డిగ్రీ కళాశాలలో పనిచేస్తున్నటువంటి ఫ్యాకల్టీ మెంబర్ యొక్క ప్రత్యేకమైనటువంటి కృషి ఫలితంగా మనం ఈ అద్భుతాన్ని మనం సాధించగలిగాం. దీనివల్ల అనేకమైనటువంటి గ్రామీణ ప్రాంతాల్లో ఉన్నటువంటి విద్యార్థులకి ఒక క్వాలిటీ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అనేది మనం అందించగలుగుతా ఉన్నాం. మరి ఈ దిశలోనే భాగంగా మనం వీళ్ళ భవిష్యత్తు, మన కళాశాలలో చదువుతున్నటువంటి విద్యార్థులు ఇక్కడ మన దగ్గర గ్రాడ్యుయేషన్ పూర్తి చేసిన తర్వాత వాళ్ళు భవిష్యత్తులో మంచి స్థాయిలో స్థిరపడాలన్న ఉద్దేశం కొద్దీ మరి ఫ్యాకల్టీ మెంబర్స్ అంతా కూడా, మన కళాశాలలో పనిచేస్తున్నటువంటి అధ్యాపక మిత్రులంతా కూడా వాళ్ళ భవిష్యత్తు కోసం ఈ విధమైనటువంటి కార్యక్రమాలు చేపట్టడం అనేది చాలా అభినందనీయం. ఈ రకంగా కార్యక్రమాలు చేయడంలో మరి జగిత్యాల ఉమెన్ కళాశాల చాలా ముందంజలో ఉంది. మరి పడాల తిరుపతి గారు ఇప్పటి వరకే కొన్ని వందల ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ ని కండక్ట్ చేస్తూ వచ్చారు. 1 డే సెమినార్స్ కానీ 2 డే సెమినార్స్ కానీ. ఇంతకుముందే మరి కార్యక్రమంలో చెప్పినట్టుగా లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ కూడా చాలా మంది విద్యార్థులకి మీరు కోచింగ్ ఇవ్వడం, నియర్లీ ఒక 50 మెంబర్స్ కి వివిధ యూనివర్సిటీలలో సీట్లు వచ్చే విధంగా వారిని ఎంకరేజ్ చేయడం చాలా సంతోషకరమైనటువంటి విషయం. ముఖ్యంగా ఈ మధ్య కాలంలో అన్ని కూడా కామన్ ఎంట్రన్స్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ వచ్చాయి కాబట్టి ఈవెన్ తెలంగాణ స్టేట్ లో కానివ్వండి, నేషనల్ లెవెల్ యూనివర్సిటీస్ లో కానివ్వండి కామన్ ఎంట్రన్స్ వచ్చింది కాబట్టి మనం ఇచ్చేటువంటి కోచింగ్ విద్యార్థులకు చాలా ఉపయుక్తంగా ఉంటుంది. ముఖ్యంగా గ్రామీణ ప్రాంతాలలో ఉండేటువంటి విద్యార్థులకి ఏ విధమైనటువంటి కోచింగ్ కానీ అలాంటి ఫెసిలిటీస్ వాళ్ళు పొందలేరు కాబట్టి మనం ఇచ్చేటువంటి కోచింగ్ వాళ్ళకి పూర్తి ఎంకరేజింగ్ గా ఉంటుంది. అలాగే విద్యా సంస్కరణలు మనం అందరం చూస్తూ ఉన్నాం. CBCS సిస్టమ్ ద్వారా ఈరోజు విద్యార్థి కోరుకున్నటువంటి సబ్జెక్ట్ కాంబినేషన్, కోరుకున్నటువంటి గ్రూపులలో జాయిన్ అయ్యేటువంటి అవకాశం దొరికింది. మరి వాళ్ళకు అనుగుణంగా మీరు ప్లాంట్ సైన్సెస్ లో కానివ్వండి, ప్లాంట్ బయోటెక్నాలజీలో కానివ్వండి, మీరు ఇస్తున్నటువంటి కోచింగ్ వాళ్ళు భవిష్యత్తులో వాళ్ళ అభిరుచికి అనుగుణంగా వాళ్ళు వాళ్ళ స్థిరపడడానికి ఇది చాలా ఉపయుక్తంగా ఉంటుందని చెప్పేసి విశ్వసిస్తూ, మరి ఈ విధమైనటువంటి కార్యక్రమంలో పార్టిసిపేట్ అవుతున్నటువంటి ఫ్యాకల్టీ మెంబర్స్ చాలా మంది మిత్రులు ఇప్పటిదాకా మరి తిరుపతి గారు పరిచయం చేయడం జరిగింది. ముఖ్యంగా ఇక్కడ నుంచి TGCGTA మెంబర్లుగా ఉన్నటువంటి నర్సాపూర్ కాలేజీలో ఉన్నటువంటి రుక్మిణీదేవి గారు కానివ్వండి, తర్వాత ఇక్కడ కరీంనగర్ జిల్లాకు చెందినటువంటి A శ్రీనివాస్ కానివ్వండి, T శ్రీనివాస్, బాలరాజు గారు, శంకర్ గారు, సునీత గారు, సునీత గారు, అలాగే జ్యోతిర్మయి గారు, వీరంతా కూడా చాలా మంది అధ్యాపక మిత్రులు దీనిలో పార్టిసిపేట్ అవుతా ఉన్నారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా మీకు ఒక విషయాన్ని నేను గుర్తు చేయదలుచుకున్నాను. మేము ఇక్కడ కరీంనగర్ జిల్లాలో GJLA గవర్నమెంట్ జూనియర్ లెక్చరర్స్ అసోసియేషన్స్ లో ఉన్నప్పుడు ఒక 49 రోజుల పాటు 400 మంది విద్యార్థులకి ఎంసెట్ కోచింగ్ ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. మరి ఆ రోజులలో 2013లో చాలా మంది విద్యార్థులు ఎంసెట్ లో అటు మెడిసిన్ లోను ఇటు ఇంజనీరింగ్ లోను సీట్లు తెచ్చుకోవడానికి అది చాలా ఉపయుక్తపడింది. మరి అదే దిశగా మీరంతా కూడా చేస్తున్నటువంటి కృషిని మరొక్కసారి అభినందిస్తూ, మరి TGCGTA సంయుక్తంగా ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని నిర్వహించడానికి ముందుకు ఇచ్చేసినటువంటి కళాశాల ప్రిన్సిపల్స్ ని మరియు హెడ్ ఆఫ్ ది డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్ ని మీ అందరికీ కూడా హృదయపూర్వక కృతజ్ఞతలు తెలియజేస్తూ, భవిష్యత్తులో కూడా స్టూడెంట్స్ వెల్ఫేర్ దృష్ట్యా, స్టూడెంట్స్ వాళ్ళ భవిష్యత్తును కోరుతూ అనేకమైనటువంటి కార్యక్రమాలు నిర్వహించడంలో మనమంతా కూడా సంయుక్తంగా కలిసి పనిచేయాలని చెప్పేసి మీ అందరికీ మరొకసారి విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తూ, ఈ అవకాశాన్ని ఇచ్చినటువంటి పడాల తిరుపతి గారికి మరియు ప్యాటర్న్స్ వ్యవహరిస్తున్నటువంటి 3 కళాశాలల ప్రిన్సిపల్లకి, హెడ్ ఆఫ్ ది డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్ కి, ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో పాల్గొంటున్నటువంటి అధ్యాపక బృందంకి అందరికీ కూడా మరొకసారి హృదయపూర్వక కృతజ్ఞతలు తెలియజేస్తూ ముగిస్తాం.
Thank you very much, sir, for your motivational speech.
Really, thank you very much, sir, for your valuable suggestions and efforts, your restless efforts regarding of the primary members, welfare of the primary members of the TGCGTA, entire Telangana. At the same time, for the sake of the public funded education institutions, renovation and reformation. So in your tenure, definitely our institutions leads to success. At the same time, the people, those who needy people, they will get benefited through your suggestions. And like this programs, please you suggest me and also suggest all the faculty members for establishment, re-establishment of the new trends in our today's scenario. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much your valuable time and sharing your views regarding of today's national event. Thank you very much, sir. Surendra Reddy, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for your valuable suggestions and looking forward for your kind encouragement and support towards this program. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Now I welcome Ushasri, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany and Food and Nutrition, RBVRR Women's College, to introduce today's keynote speaker, Professor S. Ram Reddy sir, Emeritus Professor, Department of Botany and Microbiology, Kakatiya University, Warangal. Over to you, Usha.
Thank you, Kavita ma'am. Good afternoon, one and all. I am A. Ushasri, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany and Food and Nutrition, RBVRR Women's College. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce the today's guest of honor, Professor S. Ram Reddy sir. I want to start this introduction with this beautiful quote. If your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, then you are a leader. So definitely our sir, Professor S. Ram Reddy sir is our leader, and Professor S. Ram Reddy sir is widely acknowledged to be one of the greatest and most influential and leading professor in Department of Botany and Microbiology, Kakatiya University, Warangal. Sir has 35 years of teaching experience in UG and PG levels and has a wide experience in the research. Sir, research areas include microbial taxonomy, microbial physiology, bioinoculants, and medical microbiology. Sir guided PhDs in which 25 are awarded. In this way, Sir is helping many practitioners to strengthen their skills. Sir has outstanding academic work and a significant amount of high quality research publications of 160. Sir research projects include 8, in which 6 are major and 2 are minor. Sir has authored 40 books, UG, PG and research level. Sir edited 6 and authored 18 books. Sir received the numerous honors, fellowships, such as Fellow of Indian Phytopathological Society, Fellow of Indian Botanical Society, Fellow of Society for Mycology and Plant Pathology, Fellow of AP Academy of Sciences Academic Profile. Sir was honored with recognition, prestigious awards such as Best Teacher Award 2008 by the Government of AP, SR Faculty Fellow Award in 2012 and 2015, and Emeritus Professor Award in 2007 to 19, and APS Gold Medal in 2014. Sir has also organized and encouraged several conferences, seminars, and workshops. In national level, Sir organized 4 workshops and Sir organized the 45 workshops. Sir attended the conferences, seminars, international 6 and national 46. And positions at national level scientific bodies include Secretary, IPS, ISMPP, UPSC, IIM, ISC. Sir, academic positions held like Chairman, BOS 2-term Head, Department of Microbiology Coordinator, MSc Course Member, Academic Senate, KU. And Sir is a student service such as, Sir also organized the student services such as NCC Officer and Battalion. Sir is an administrative position, in charge registrar of Kakatiya University. Sir is a controller of examinations, Kakatiya University, coordinator, UGC, SAP, DRS, and member Academic Senate, Kakatiya University, chairperson, BOS Microbiology, Kakatiya University. Sir is a subject expert to several universities, state government nominee as a senior academician for selection of teaching posts for Usmania, Mahatma Gandhi, Shatavahana, Sri Krishna Devarayara, and Acharya NG Ranga Agriculture, Andhra, Rani Durgavati, Yogi Vemana universities. Sir is an eminent speaker and participants will gain much knowledge from the Sir. And we are very much looking forward to hear from you, Sir. Thank you so much for giving me this golden and valuable opportunity. Over to you, Kavita ma'am.
Before start the session,
Thank you, Usha.
Kavita Madam Garu, before start the SARS session, our head department of botany, GDC W JAGTIAL, Dr. G Chandraya Sir Garu will speak few words regarding of today's event.
Okay, sir. Chandraya sir, you can start, sir. Welcome you, sir.
Respected our principal, Dr. Y. Satyanarayana Garu, and RBVR College Principal Garu Achita Devi Madam Garu and Principal Dr. Ramakrishna Garu and వివిధ కాలేజీ నుండి ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో పాల్గొంటున్నటువంటి పెద్దలు, సహచర ఉపన్యాసకులు మరియు మిగతా పెద్దలందరికీ కూడా ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో పాల్గొంటున్న సందర్భంగా అందరికీ కూడా హృదయపూర్వక స్వాగతాన్ని తెలియజేస్తూ, ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని నిర్వహిస్తున్న మా సహోదరుడు, మా కొలీగ్ డాక్టర్ పి తిరుపతి గారు, ఈ సందర్భంగా వారిని అభినందిస్తూ ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో పాల్గొంటున్న అందరూ కూడా శుభాభినందనలు, ఆహ్వానం తెలియజేస్తూ, ఇలాంటి కార్యక్రమాలు చాలా వరకు మనం నిర్వహించడం జరిగింది గత సంవత్సరంలో కూడా. గత సంవత్సరంలో నిర్వహించినటువంటి కోచింగ్లో సుమారు 48 మంది విద్యార్థులు ఎంఎస్సి బాటనీ వివిధ కళాశాలల్లో వివిధ యూనివర్సిటీల్లో కూడా సీట్లు పొంది, వారు సీట్లు పొందడమే కాకుండా మా కాలేజీ కూడా మంచి పేరును తీసుకొచ్చినటువంటి మా విద్యార్థులకు కూడా అభినందనలు తెలియజేస్తున్నాను. అలాగే బిఎడ్లో కూడా సుమారు 21 మంది వివిధ కళాశాలల్లో సీట్లు పొంది, గత సంవత్సరంలో ఈ కోచింగ్ యొక్క తీసుకున్నటువంటి విద్యార్థులు అందరూ కూడా ఒక బెనిఫిట్ ని తీసుకున్నట్టుగా భావిస్తూ మా కళాశాల కూడా మంచి పేరు తేవడమే కాకుండా వాళ్ళ భవిష్యత్తును కూడా తీర్చిదిద్దుకున్నందుకు వీరందరూ కూడా నా తరఫున అభినందనలు తెలియజేస్తున్నాను. అలాగే ఈ సంవత్సరంలో కూడాను ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని నిర్వహిస్తున్నటువంటి మా సోదరుడు డాక్టర్ పి తిరుపతి గారిని అభినందిస్తూ, ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో ఈ సంవత్సరం కూడా మంచి good number of students, I think good number of students will get PG and other courses, and I also appreciate our colleague and everyone who has participating our this program. I welcome and thank one and you, one and all. Thank you, one and all. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir. Before so because of our head department of botany, Dr. G. Chandraya sir, and our principal, we will organize this type of national event. Thank you very much, sir, for your valuable session. And now I would like to invite today's keynote speaker, my godfathers, one of the godfathers, Professor S. Ramreddy sir garu. Please welcome, sir, and give your valuable session. We are very happy and very lucky fellows because of your sessions and your valuable time, sir. Please proceed, sir.
Professor Ramreddy sir, the floor is open for you, sir. Take over the session, please.
So, am I seen on the screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir. You are
slide
visible.
also? PowerPoint slide.
No, sir. Only you are visible. Slide is not visible, sir. Please share your screen.
How to open that? There's a problem here. Just How to open the dialogue? I'm not. So this I will cancel. So this dialogue is coming. Now is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Huh?
Clear, sir.
Okay.
Only.
PPT is not there, sir.
PPT not seen?
Yes, sir.
Only Zoom meeting it is visible, sir. Zoom meeting ane kanapadutundi, sir. Sir, please proceed, sir. Sir, your voice is not audible.
I think it should be visible.
Sir, previous slide. Right, sir. It is visible. It is visible, sir.
నేను కనబడుతున్నా
కనబడుతున్నారు సార్ మీరు రైట్ సార్ రైట్ ఓకే సార్
రైట్ ఇస్ ఇట్ ఓకే
సార్ ఓకే సార్
రైట్ షల్ ఐ ప్రొసీడ్
yes sir proceed sir
so now okay I have to minimize this.
ఓకే సార్
కాదు దీన్ని మినిమైజ్ చేయాలి కదా నేను ఓకే ఇస్ ఇట్ ఓకే
ఓకే సార్ ప్రొసీడ్ సార్
ఓకే గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ టు ఆల్ who are participating in this wonderful program. Dr. K. Surendra Reddy Garu, Chief Guest and General Secretary of TGCGTA, Telangana State. Dr. Padala Tirupati, convener of this very useful program. Patrons and principals of the host colleges, GDCW JAGTIAL, Dr. Y. Satyanarayana Garu, Dr. J. Achita Devi, Principal, RBVRR College, Narayanguda, Hyderabad. Dr. K. Ramakrishna, Principal, SRR College, Karimnagar. Co-patrons, Dr. Rajani, T. Shankar, Dr. Chandraya Garu, learned resource persons, dear participants and students. Once again, good afternoon. At the outset, I congratulate the organizers, especially Padala Tirupati, of this useful and purposeful program, useful to the students who are aspiring for still higher studies in plant sciences. I am also happy to note that 3 very old prestigious colleges, their botany departments have come together to organize this program for the benefit of wider spectrum of students. I am very thankful for inviting me to deliver the keynote address. I am very happy to share a platform with you in this occasion. A few days back, I had the privilege of inaugurating such program launched by GDC Siddipet Autonomous College. As you are aware, botany is an important subject not only in life sciences, but also in all sciences. It provides a wonderful and it is a perennial subject. It has wide applications in day-to-day life and a great scope building the academic career of the students. This course, though specifically meant for PG Botany entrance examination, it is also useful for various competitive examination, just like groups of TSAPC and UPSC also, forest services like that. The knowledge gained through this program is also useful to get seats in the allied subjects like genetics, MSc Genetics, MSc Microbiology, Biotechnology, Bioinformatics, biochemistry, and many other courses within our state and also in other states of the country. PG studies have become an important step in today's education. After PG, many opportunities are available for the students like teaching, research in the fields of agriculture, horticulture, food industry, etc. And one becomes confident about starting his own self-employment programs also. By and large, this is a wonderful program. I congratulate all people involved in this program and providing an ideal platform to learn that too at free of cost. I hope the organizers have chalked out a very good schedule for 65 days, including feedback. Congratulations to students. I appeal to students to make use of this program very effectively. Resource persons are very qualified and experienced, drawn from all the colleges and universities. I am confident that you will get benefit and get a seat in MSc PG courses. About 1,000 seats are available in our state MSc Botany. Securing a seat is not a great thing, but aim it to get a good rank. If you get a good rank below 100, you are sure to get seat in university campuses, best colleges, where good teaching faculty and lab facilities will be available. I once again appreciate the efforts of Dr. P. Tirupati, the convener and the nucleus of this program, who is the main architect of this purposeful program, and all other, including the principals, HODs who have encouraged and support this program. My best wishes to the student participants. I once again thank for giving me a nice opportunity to share and to become one of the participants in this program. Now coming to this keynote address, but just for a while I thought what topic I should take, because botany is a very big subject, right from algae, right from the viruses, bacteria to biotechnology. And within the given short time, maybe 30 minutes or 40 minutes. Then ultimately I zeroed on a topic, very important topic, that is photosynthesis. Even photosynthesis is also a very big topic. And normally in a regular class of BSc, MSc, we take about 10 classes, 10 periods to complete the photosynthesis topic. Anyhow, I try to give a glimpse of the photosynthesis right from the historical aspects to the photorespiration, importance of the photosynthesis. This is a very good saying about the photosynthesis. Plants perform the photosynthesis. It is a complicated process. Without plants, we would all will be dead, said by Pamela Ronald. No, this is the long and short of the photosynthesis. What happens during the photosynthesis? Photosynthesis takes place in green leaves. This is the platform for the photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, two things are taken. One is the light from sun, another carbon dioxide. The water is taken through the roots from the soil. These three components, light, carbon dioxide, and water, in the platform of chlorophyll or green tissue, they are converted to glucose. And during this process, oxygen is released. So the two things are light, carbon dioxide, and the end products are oxygen and glucose. Photosynthesis can be singled out as a phenomenon which is responsible for life on the earth. It not only provides the food for all the living organisms, it also provides another essential thing, that is oxygen. Without oxygen, we cannot live. Without food, we may live for few hours, few days, but without oxygen, we cannot live more than few minutes. Definition of photosynthesis. We know all of this, what is photosynthesis. Here, the important event that happens is light energy is converted to chemical energy. The energy present in the sunlight is converted to the energy present in the glucose, carbohydrates. What happens during photosynthesis? Light energy is captured and used to convert water and carbon dioxide and minerals into oxygen and energy-rich organic compounds. So this is all not necessary. Now, this is important. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is an anabolic process, energy consuming process. The energy comes from the sunlight. We know metabolism, there are two processes, anabolism, catabolism. Photosynthesis is anabolism, energy is conserved. Respiration is catabolic process, energy is released. It is an endergonic process, energy utilizing process, energy absorbing process. Here, what is happening, for example, if you take carbon dioxide is inorganic, energy less or energy poor. It is converted to an energy-rich organic compound, that is glucose molecule, a carbohydrate. It is a reductive process. The respiration is an oxidative process. Photosynthesis is reductive. These are all historical aspects. The most important contribution came from there is disturbance. Joseph Priestley, he conducted some classical experiments to show that oxygen is released during the photosynthesis, carbon dioxide is consumed. The Priestley classical experiments. Anthony Leeuwenhoek, this is Van Ingenhousz, who is often referred as the father of photosynthesis. Then there are so many people who have contributed for our understanding of the photosynthesis. Then Van Moll, the structure of the chloroplast. Then Julius Robert Admoyer, they introduced the concept of photosynthesis. Then all of these people, this is formula first time developed by Jean-Baptiste Boussingault, 6CO2, 12H2O, light energy, then a glucose molecule, a simple carbohydrate. 6 oxygen molecules are released. At the same time, 6 water molecules are also released. Then here, light reactions, dark reactions. Then Robert Hill contributions, all these things. Then this is the formula. Then if we go into the physiology and biochemistry of photosynthesis, what happens? A simplified formula of photosynthesis, 6 carbon dioxide molecules from the atmosphere, water molecules from the soil through the roots. These are converted to inorganic substances are converted to organic. Energy-less compounds are converted to energy-rich compounds. The required energy comes from light. So it is a very simplified formula. But in between these two, there are many biochemical reactions. These biochemical reactions are facilitated in the chlorophyll, through the chlorophyll. The chlorophyll functions as a catalyst. Now again, that photosynthesis reactions take place in 3 stages. One, radiant energy of sunlight by the chloroplast, absorption of sunlight by the chloroplast. This is first step. Second step, the absorbed energy is converted to ATP and NADPH in the photochemical reactions. So energy present in the sunlight is first converted to ATP and NADPH. In the third stage, the energy present in the ATP and NADP is channeled, converted to an organic molecule, that is glucose. So there are 3 important steps. One, radiant energy present in the sunlight is absorbed or captured by chloroplast. First step. Second step, the energy present in the chloroplast is converted to ATP and NADH. In the third step, ATP and NADH energy is converted to glucose molecule. So look at here, it is not as simple as we think. The light energy is converted to glucose molecule, we say, but there are so many complicated process involved. This is the structure of the chloroplast. All of you know. I need not explain, I need not take the time for it. Then chloroplast, important characters. The stroma contains, the chloroplasts are semi-autonomous organelles. They have their own DNA. They can replicate without the involvement of the nucleus. That DNA is double-stranded circular DNA. And chloroplasts contain their own ribosomes, 70S, just like bacteria. The smaller subunit is 30S, the larger subunit is 40S. In addition to that, lipid droplets, starch granules are present. So we have 2 main parts, grana, stroma. Grana, light phase reactions, stroma, dark phase reactions. Then this is very important. This is the structure of grana. This is stroma. This is all stroma. Now this is ATPase, ADP, and inorganic phosphate is converted to ATP. Plastocyanin. This is the lumen of the grana of thylakoid, wherein the photolysis of water takes place. Splitting of water molecule into 4 electrons and 1 oxygen molecule. And these protons are used to build the proton motive force. So here chromosome, cytochrome BS1, PS2 with oxygen evolving complex, PS1 with NADP reductase. This is ferridoxin. Remember, this is the structure of 1 granum in the grana thylakoids. Such thylakoids will be made. This is surrounded by stroma. Here the dark phase reactions, here the light phase reactions. Here the light energy is converted to ATP, coupling the ADP and phosphate. For this process, so many molecules are required. For example, plastocyanin, plastoquinone, ferridoxin, cytochrome BF for electron transport system. And look at here, there are 2 types of photosystems, PS2, PS1. This is involved in NADP, reduction to NADPH. This is involved with the formation of ATP molecules. So, photosynthetic pigments. In chloroplast, photosynthetic pigments are present, chlorophylls, carotenoids. Chlorophylls A, B, C, D plus related molecules found in prokaryotes called bacteriophores. There are some bacteria which also perform photosynthesis. There also chlorophyll is present, but that chlorophyll will be known as bacteriochlorophyll, slightly different from the chlorophyll of higher plants. So, in order to differentiate the chlorophyll present in the bacteria, it is known by bacteriochlorophyll. But in higher plants, we have A, B, C, D, including the algae. The A, B are the main, though C, D are there, but main chlorophyll pigments involved in the process of photosynthesis are A and B. Now, look at here. Chlorophyll molecules absorb light in the ranges of blue 435, red 680 wavelengths, and reflect back green. They absorb the blue light, the red light. This is around 435, this is around 680. Now, look at this. This is chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B. See the difference. Here is methyl group in this particular position, whereas for chlorophyll B, here it is keto group. And this is the head, this is the phytol part, tail part, almost same, only difference lies here. And another important thing, students remember, in the center of the head chlorophyll molecule, there is a metallic ion known as magnesium. The head is a tetrapyrrolic structure. This is a tetrapyrrolic structure. So this chlorophyll molecule includes a hydrophobic tail. Hydrophobic means water fearing. Water doesn't get attached to it. Then this will be embedded in the thylakoid. Then porphyry ring head, a tetrapyrrole ring, circular group of atoms surrounding a central magnesium ion that absorbs. Carotenoids, carotene, orange, xanthophyll, yellow. So these will be helpful in channeling the light energy to the center of the photosystems. Another is they protect the chlorophylls from photooxidation. This is important point. Due to excess of that, sometimes the excess light will be falling during the midday. And in order that will be the plants, the green pigments will be protected from the excess sunlight by carotenoid pigments. Otherwise, they get oxidized. That is called photooxidation. So there are two photosystems, photosystem 1, photosystem 2, differences. Again, the same diagram. Photolysis of water. What is the first biochemical reaction in photosynthesis? In fact, that is the splitting of water, photolysis of water. Hill's reaction. Many of you know, during the photosynthesis, during the light phase reactions, oxygen is released. Where does this oxygen come from? Whether is it from water, is it from carbon dioxide? Because in carbon dioxide there is oxygen, in water there is oxygen. The earlier scientists were confused whether it comes from the oxygen or water. Many people thought that it will come from the carbon dioxide. But later on, Robert Hill demonstrated that whatever the oxygen released during the photosynthesis comes only in the light phase reactions, that too from the photolysis of water. So if there is an acceptor, electron acceptor, just like NADP, under natural conditions, NADP functions as electron acceptor. These are called Hill oxidants. Now, we say light is essential for photosynthesis. But light is also a very complicated structure. Look at this. This is electromagnetic radiation. In electromagnetic spectrum, different types of wavelengths of light are there. Long radio, micro, infrared. This is visible to our eye. Ultraviolet, X-rays, gamma rays. Now, if you see the wavelength, as you go in this direction, wavelength decreases, but energy increases. అంటే ఏమిటి? ఈ రేడియో వేవ్స్, మైక్రో, ఐఆర్ వీటి యొక్క వేవ్లెన్స్ ఎక్కువగా ఉంటాయి వేటి కంటే, ఎక్స్రేస్ కంటే, గామా రేస్ కంటే, యూవీ రేస్ కంటే వీటికి తక్కువగా ఉంటాయి. మనం ఇటువైపు పోయినా కొద్దీ ఇవి తక్కువగా ఉంటాయి. జస్ట్ 1 minute. So all these lights are there, but from photosynthesis point of view, only the light of this region is useful. Not these, not these. These are powerful. In fact, these are damaging. These are low wavelength, high wavelength, but low energy. Only here. And this is further differentiated into VIBGYOR. Blue, red. Wavelength more, red is more, green, blue is less. 400 nanometers to 700 nanometers. అంటే ఒక రకంగా ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్, మన కంటికి ఏదైతే కనబడతాయో, ఏ కలర్స్ అయితే కనబడతాయో అవే రీజియన్లో ప్లాంట్స్ కూడా ఫోటోసింథసిస్ పెర్ఫార్మ్ చేస్తాయి. దట్ ఈస్ అన్ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ థింగ్. నేచర్ ఎట్లా ఎవాల్వ్ అయింది అనే దానికి ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ థింగ్. మన కంటికి ఏ రేంజ్ అయితే లైట్ ఉపయోగపడదో అదే లైట్ ఫోటోసింథసిస్కి ఉపయోగపడదు. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద వేవ్ లెన్స్, ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ, ఎనర్జీ. గామా రేస్ తక్కువ వేవ్ లెంత్ ఉంటాయి. Now light phase photochemical reactions. Emerson first demonstrated the existence of two photosystems, photosystem 1, photosystem 2. How he conducted some experiments. He observed that when the light is increased more than 680, there was a fall in the rate of photosynthesis that he called as a red drop. On his name, it is known by Emerson's red drop. But in the second type of experiments, he exposed the chlorophylls, pigments, or the green plants with two types of lights simultaneously. 680 deep red spectrum for red. He exposed the light of both wavelengths. The rate of photosynthesis was found to be higher than some of the red light and far light. This is called Emerson's enhancement effect. Light reactions. When light is available during daytime, mostly during daytime, in grain of chloroplast, light absorption, splitting of water or photolysis of water, release of oxygen, formation of high energy chemical intermediates like ATP, NADPH, that is hydrogen and proton carrier, light absorption, then photosystem structure, architecture. Surrounding molecules are known as antagon complex, reaction center. So it will be like this. So this is reaction center. Okay, mainly consists of chlorophyll A, whereas these surrounding molecules, chlorophyll B, and also carotenoid pigments. This entire structure is called antenna complex. Reaction centers. Photophosphorylation. What is the definition of photophosphorylation? Coupling of adenosine diphosphate and inorganic phosphate known as A to give rise to ATP is known as phosphorylation. We have three types of phosphorylations: photophosphorylation, substrate level phosphorylation, oxidative phosphorylation. The ATPs are synthesized during the light phase reactions, that is called photophosphorylation. Synthesis of ATP driven by light is known as photophosphorylation. Two types, cyclic, non-cyclic. So this is a cyclic photophosphorylation. Its reaction center, photosystem to P680. Photon, light unit of light is known as photon. Then when this photosystem absorbs the light, the chlorophyll molecule becomes excited and loses the electron. This electron again comes back through passing through different electron carriers. So now when the electrons pass through, this proton gradient is established for the synthesis of ATP. So this is cyclic because the electrons that are coming from the photosystem are again coming back. During this process, proton gradient will be established and that will be used for ATP synthesis. So, but at one time people thought that higher plants are cyclic and non-cyclic phosphorylations are different. But now it has been established that these two systems are present. But one dependent on another. They are not independent. Separate గా ఉండవు. ఒకదాని మీద ఒకటి డిపెండ్ అయి ఉంటాయి. దీన్ని ఏమన్నారంటే జెడ్ స్కీమ్ అంటారు. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ చూడండి, దిస్ ఇస్ వన్ cyclic photophosphorylation, this is non-cyclic photophosphorylation. So whatever the electrons required for this system comes from this. So one dependent on this is called Z scheme. So Z scheme has been recorded in algae, in cyanobacteria, in higher plants. The non-cyclic cyclic phosphorylation, separate cyclic phosphorylation has been reported in photosynthetic bacteria. So this is differences. So this is an advanced aspect. Now we say in light phase reactions, ATP is first absorbed by chlorophyll pigments. Then that energy is transferred to ATP for the synthesis of ATP. How actually the ATPs are synthesized? This phenomenon, this process has been explained by Peter Midgel through his classical theory known as chemiosmotic theory. Chemiosmotic theory was proposed by Peter Midgel. ATP plus synthesis avutayani. For this he was awarded the Nobel Prize. So this is Peter Midgel. He got the Nobel Award in 1978. So this is, I will show you the diagram. This is actually how when electrons, photons strike the photosystem 2, the splitting of water molecules, the electron transported to photosystem 2, photosystem 1, and the whatever the electrons are released, they are used for driving the protons into this. And these protons, when accumulate, more positive charges here, less positive charges here. At one time, these protons try to pass through the ATP synthase molecules. This is ATP synthase. And when the electrons or protons pass through this, ADP and hydrogen proton phosphates are coupled to form the ATP. So this is the summary of chemiosmotic theory. Actually, it needs more time to explain. So this is what happened. Now, just 1 minute. So this is again very important diagram to make you understand. We say all the photosynthetic reactions are broadly divided into light phase reactions, dark phase reactions. What happens in light phase reactions? Light energy is converted to ATP, NADP. This is in total ATP, NADP రెండింటిని కలిపి assimilatory power అంటారు. This is energy carrier, this is hydrogen carrier, proton carrier. So here water is necessary, then protons, oxygen. These are light phase reactions. In dark phase reactions, carbon dioxide, which is in the oxidized state, which is in the inorganic state, which is in the energy less or poor state, is converted to a carbohydrate, which is energy rich, which is an organic molecule, energy rich. So carbon dioxide is not simply converted to a carbohydrate molecule. It is energy less, energy rich. The required energy comes from this. Inorganic molecule is converted to an organic molecule. Carbon dioxide is inorganic, whereas glucose molecule is organic. So here the protons are required. So here in dark phase reactions, carbon dioxide is converted to a glucose molecule. For this, light is not necessary, but the molecules that are synthesized during the light phase reactions are required. So therefore, the dark phase reactions are dependent on light phase reactions. అంటే డార్క్ ఫేజ్ రియాక్షన్స్ కావాల్సిన ప్రోటాన్లు, ఎలక్ట్రాన్లు, ఎనర్జీ అంతా కూడా లైట్ ఫేజ్ రియాక్షన్స్ నుంచి వస్తాయి. ఈ రియాక్షన్స్ జరగవు అనుకోండి, ఈ రియాక్షన్స్ కూడా జరగవు. ఎందుకంటే ఆల్ దీస్ రియాక్షన్స్, కెల్విన్ సైకిల్ రియాక్షన్స్ ఆర్ డిపెండెంట్ ఆన్ దిస్. So this is what happens. This reverse arrow mark shows that during respiration, glucose molecule will be converted to this ADP phosphate, energy will be released. So of course, I don't want to confuse you. So this is light phase reactions. During daytime, when light is available. During night, when light is not available, light is not required. Light is not required. So this is the relationship between the light phase reaction and dark phase reactions. మనం రెండింటిని డివైడ్ చేసుకున్నా కానీ వాటికి మధ్య గల సంబంధం ఏమిటి? లైట్ ఫేజ్ రియాక్షన్స్ కు లైట్ కావాలి. లైట్ ఎనర్జీ ఈజ్ కన్వర్టెడ్ టు ఏటీపీ అండ్ NADPH. ఏటీపీ ఈజ్ ఎనర్జీ రిచ్ మాలిక్యూల్, దాంట్లో ఎనర్జీ ఉంది. NADPH లో కూడా ఎనర్జీ ఉంది ఇన్ ద ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ ప్రోటాన్స్ అండ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్. Dark phase reactions are not dependent on light. It doesn't mean that they take place only during the night, during the dark, but not dependent on light. CO2 to glucose. So this is the relationship between these reactions. All both the light phase reactions, dark phase reactions take place in the chloroplast. Okay, light dark phase reaction. Okay, Dr. Tirupati.
Sir.
The remaining part I will take in another class.
Sir, okay, sir. Sir, thank you, sir.
I have to rush through I want to make certain basic aspects the students to understand.
Sir, thank you very much, sir.
Okay.
Kavita Madam Garu.
Tirupati for giving me a nice opportunity for inviting me to deliver the keynote address. I also thank the principals of the 3 important colleges for supporting and encouraging this program. I wish this program will be successful and the students will be immensely benefited by this program. Thank you very much, Dr. Tirupati, and all other students.
Sir, thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Now I would like to invite Srimati E. Josna Madam Garu, lecturer in English, Government Degree College for Women, JAGTIAL. Please give vote of thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Malathi, where are you working? Gayatri, Jyotsna.
Thank you very much. And now I express my warm gratitude to our chief guest, Honorable Dr. PADALA, for space.
Look, should I stop the sharing?
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah.
Please close the share screen, sir. Stop this share screen.
Okay.
Okay. Now, Josna Madam Garu, please proceed. ఇందులో వినబడట్లేదు, ఇక్కడ వచ్చి మాట్లాడారు.
Okay. Okay, am I audible now? Okay,
yes.
A very good evening to one and all. This is Jyotsna, lecturer in English, and it's my privilege to propose the vote of thanks on behalf of the entire fraternity of GDCW JAGTIAL. Initially, I congratulate all the team members of GDCW JAGTIAL. It's my privilege to propose the vote of thanks on behalf of the entire fraternity of GDCW JAGTIAL. And initially, we congratulate all the organizing committee of this knowledgeable session. On behalf of our institution, I extend our sincere gratitude to our renowned keynote speaker, Professor S. Ramreddy Garu, Department of Botany and Microbiology, KU Warangal,
for accepting our invitation and briefing us with the theme of photosynthesis. Thank you, sir. Thank you for gracing this occasion. And also, I express my warm gratitude to our chief guest, Honorable Dr. K. Surendra Reddy Garu, for sparing his precious time for us and gracing this occasion. And we wholeheartedly thankful our honorable and remarkable principal, GDCW JAGTIAL, Dr. Y. Satyanarayana Garu, for his unceasing support and encouragement to make the wonders. And also, I heartfully extend my sincere thanks to the renowned principal, Honorable Dr. K. Ramakrishna Garu, for gracing this occasion. And we also extend my sincere thanks to the Honorable Principal, RBVRR Hyderabad, Dr. J. Achyuta Devi Garu, for her continuous efforts and encouragement to make all this possible. And also I express my heartfelt gratitude to our Honorable Vice Principal, Madam, Dr. Masroor Sultana Garu, for her valuable involvement. And I also extend my warm gratitude to the courageous IQAC coordinator of our GDCW JAGTIAL, Dr. Hazot Kaur ma'am, for her continuous assistance to make all the possibilities. And I convey my special thanks to all the conveners, co-conveners, co-patrons, and organizing committee for their untiring efforts and dedication. And also I express my heartfelt gratitude to all the technical team for their enormous cooperation to make this inaugural session fruitful. And also I express our sincere thanks to TGCGTA Telangana for their assistance of the 65-day stream of knowledge, and convey my special thanks to all the resource persons, subject experts who are going to share their wisdom and enlighten the enthusiastic aspirants in angle of 65. And I convey my heartfelt gratitude to the GDCW family members for their unceasing assistance and all the faculty members behind the curtain. And I convey my sincere thanks to all the enthusiastic aspirants to grab the great success. Last but not least, I convey my sincere thanks to the Reddy's College for the uninterrupted Zoom assistance. And from the bottom of my heart, I extend my sincere gratitude each and everyone who are on the screen and off the screen. And we wish you all the success for the 65-day National Online Coaching 2022. This is Jyotsna signing off. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you, sir. Over to Tirupati, sir.
Thank you very much, Madam. Jyotsna, Madam. Wonderful vote of thanks regarding of today's event. So you are elderly, our senior most faculty, and today's keynote speaker, my godfather, Professor S. Ram Reddy sir, and patrons of today's session, today's wonderful event. As a convener, wholeheartedly, my sincere thanks to each and every resource persons and senior most faculty members, IQAC coordinator and vice principal and secretary cum correspondent, Professor Sudarshan Reddy Garu, RBVRR Women's College, Hyderabad, and today's program co-patrons. Thank you very much for your valuable time for sparing this event, each and every one. Now over to Kavita Madam.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Kavita, on your videos, I'll take one screenshot. Manjula, Kavita, Usha.
Not possible, ma'am. Sorry.
Ma'am.
Usha.
With your permission, today's program will going to wind up. Ram Reddy sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Ram Reddy sir.
Sir.
Send me 1 or 2 screenshots.
Okay, sir. Definitely, sir. Definitely. Sir, 1 second. Rajni, photo తీసుకున్నావా?
1 second. Yes, sir.
1 second. ఇది నేను కూడా ఇది ఏం చేస్తానంటే 1 second. మళ్ళీ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకున్నా.
Usha and Manjula, on your cameras.
Should I open the camera?
Madam.
1 second, sir. మీరు
Screen share చేస్తున్నప్పుడు
స్క్రీన్ షాట్ చేసినప్పుడు తీసిన మీరు కూడా ఆన్ చేయండి. ఓకే, 1 second, sir. సార్ ఫస్ట్ లీఫ్ స్లైడ్ ఉందా సార్? లీఫ్ స్లైడ్ ఫస్ట్